Okay, when you're trimming slate, so you can get this cool looking pattern, sometimes you have to be really careful which way you cut them. Like normally, like this one, you always cut on the back side. Well, I say always, but I'm going to have an exception to that rule here. So I would cut gently this way, and sometimes I cut out a little bit and then bring it in and bring it in and bring it in until I'm pretty much on the line. Now on this one I started doing it and it broke, so it went like this and then broke right in. So I said, hold on, something's going on here. The grain of the stone. Actually, I'm sorry, this is the one that cut nice. This is the one that did some weird stuff. So when I turn it over, you can see why. This side, it's pretty even. You can see the grain of the stone is kind of coming in like this. This side, the grain of the stone is coming like this. And you can see when they split it, it did something weird here, and it was really tough here. It didn't want to, it kind of broke out here and here. So I actually turned this one over. I put a mark here, and this had already, well, I put a mark there, marked it here, and then I kind of chiseled away at this with the cutter until I got it close. And I don't want to get too, it's close enough. It's still going to look great, and because I don't want to break this piece of slate and lose it. This is a nice hard one. They're all nice. They're all pricey, and you just don't want to waste them. I mean, it's all from Mother Nature. Okay, so you have to watch the grain of your stone when you're cutting. That's the bottom line. And if you're not sure, cut a little bit at a time. Kind of shave it off.